High-density interconnect, what it is and why you should care. High-density interconnects, HDI, are a method of packaging electronic components and wiring them together. It can be used to pack more functionality into a smaller area, allowing for higher performance, greater density, and lower cost. HDI is an interconnection scheme like Windows HDI PCB manufacturing solutions that allows signals to move along a circuit board without interference from one another. This is important because it allows for faster data transfer between components on a circuit board. What are the three major indicators of HDI? HDI can be defined as the interconnection of components and systems on a single board, in contrast to traditional PCBA, printed circuit board assembly, manufacturing. This technique enables the design of complex systems with many I/O interfaces, high-speed logic circuits, and large memory arrays on a single chip. The number of printed circuit boards can give you an idea of how much space is available on the motherboard and how many components can be installed onto it. RAM memory is used to store data temporarily and is accessed by the CPU whenever it needs more information for processing tasks. The amount of RAM in your computer will determine how quickly your computer can process tasks and how much data it can hold at one time. Hard drives store all your files, documents, photos, and videos that you want to keep safe from harm. They come in many different sizes, ranging from 500 gigabytes up to 8 terabytes. So what are the three major indicators of HDI? The three major indicators of HDI are: integrated passive interconnects. These are used for routing signals between various components. The passive interconnects include printed circuit board traces, metal lines on the die, through silicon vias, and metal layers on the substrate. Integrated active interconnects. This is a set of conductive lines that connect digital devices such as transistors and resistors in an electronic system. The main difference between active and passive interconnects is that active interconnects are capable of modifying their electrical behavior under certain conditions while passive ones cannot do this. Printed circuit boards. These are used to connect electronic components together using wires or cables. The PCBs are then placed into a computer housing and connected to the motherboard. Do you know what are the three major indicators of HDI? For more information, please feel free to contact Winnow. What should you know about HDI? High-density interconnects, HDI, refer to packages that have multiple layers of ball grid arrays, BGAs, land grid arrays, LGAs, or flip chip bumps. They are used for chip-scale packaging, CSP, as well as for other applications. These packages provide smaller form factors than conventional ball grid arrays, which makes them useful for space-constrained applications like mobile devices. 1. How does HDI work? HDI works by integrating different circuits into a single package. These circuits are connected by silicon pillars called through-silicon vias, TSVs. TSV technology creates holes through an entire silicon wafer so that electrical connections can be made between layers without having to drill holes through them individually. The result is a smaller, more efficient circuit board that can handle more tasks than its predecessors could. 2. Why is HDI important? HDI is important because it enables manufacturers to create smaller devices while using less energy and resources than they would have otherwise needed had they not used this technology. As these devices become smaller and more efficient, they will require less space in our homes. 3. The term high-density interconnect refers to two things. 1. Packages with multiple layers of balls or bumps on their surface, allowing more connections per unit area than traditional BGAs or LGAs. 2. The ability to stack chips on top of one another using ball grid arrays, BGAs. 4. The benefits of HDI. HDI offers several advantages over traditional leaded packages. HDI is easier to manufacture than leaded packages because it requires less manual assembly. It's more reliable than leaded packages because there are fewer opportunities for solder joints to fail due to poor contact pressure. It has better thermal conduction than leaded packages, allowing chipsets to run at their rated speeds without overheating. 5. The downside of HDI. Copper wire isn't as good at carrying current as copper leads are. This means that HDI requires thicker traces than leaded packages do. Thick traces can cause signal integrity problems by inducing crosstalk or electromagnetic interference, EMI. They also make it harder for heat to escape from the ICs and can make chips run hotter than they would in leaded packages. Conclusion. If you are finding the right high-density interconnect for your PCBs, Winow HDI PCB Manufacturing Solutions is a good choice for you. Winow HDI PCB Manufacturing Solutions offers high-quality products with a wide range of options. You can choose from various materials and processes to create your own custom PCB board. There are many factors to consider when choosing a manufacturer of HDI boards for your project. The most important thing is to make sure that the company uses high-quality materials and processes. In addition, the service should be fast and professional, so that customers receive their orders on time. Winow HDI PCB Manufacturing Solutions offers all this and more. Our services include customized HDI boards, PCB assembly services, prototyping services, etc. Visit our website, Winow PCBA.